Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to create QR code using Canva. Alright, so let's begin with the video. This video is going to show you how you can create your own QR code in just a couple of clicks using Canva, and it's absolutely free. Step number 1 is to open canva.com, but you can do this on your mobile phone as well. I'm now going to create a new design as an example for this video, and it's now time to generate or create our QR code. In order to do this, we're going to use a free Canva application. So, go over the left side of the screen and find the Apps section in this toolbar. The next step is to use this little search bar at the top and then search for QR code. And this will essentially give us a bunch of apps which we can use to make our QR code. I need a simple QR code, so I'll select this app right here. Now your job is to copy the link of your website, and I'll copy my YouTube channel link as an example. I'll paste it in here, and you can expand this little section if you want to customize it, but I'll tap on Generate Code. You can now add the QR code to your design and download it. So that's basically how you can create QR code using Canva. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.